Good morning, student.
Good morning,
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And you? And you?
All right, thank you. I'm fine too. Any absent today?
No, Miss, anyone?
No. Okay, thank you, Swardini. Swardini, as the lead of the class, please lead for the prayer for the God. Silent, please. I'd like to show you your grooming. All right. Did you remember what we learned before?
We'll learn generic structure of the procedure text.
Okay, very good, RG. Yeah. Okay, maybe next.
Miss,
Okay, Ardiawan, please.
we find some information from video.
Okay, very good. Yeah, everybody that remembers what we learned before. Okay. Today we will continue our lesson for the next sessions. I have some question for you, and then I'd like to share screen first. Okay, wait a minute. We have to do about the materials. Okay. Okay. Nah, di sini kalian akan melihat hasil akhir ya, berdiskusi. Itu mampu menganalisis unsur kebahasaan. Kemudian yang terakhir, kalian bisa menyusun satu text procedure, writing text. Okay, I have one question for you. What is action verb in procedure text? We have to learn before about the procedure text. Mahendra. Okay, Mahendra?
An action verb is a verb that describes an action in procedure text.
Okay, Mahendra, verb that describes how to an action in the procedure text. Yeah, okay, very good, Mahendra. Okay, next question. What is a special food in your village, Sergi?
I'm from Galungan, then there is Playa Galungan.
Oh, you are from Galungan. Okay, thank you. So the name of your special food is Playa Galungan. Okay, thank you, RG.
Yes,
Okay, next, this is the mind mapping. We have to remember, just remember again. So we have to know about some action for how to make something, identify or look at about the action verb and then translate it in Indonesian language. Okay, the first word is wash. Raise your hand, please. What is wash? Okay, Arya, what is wash?
Wash is mencuci, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Arya. Very good.
Slice is mengiris, Miss.
Okay, very good. Slice, mengiris, ya, in Indonesian language. Okay. Next, now we have to divided you into two groups, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 included by Swardini as the leader, and Arya, Elvin, and Widantari. Group 2 consists of Ardiawan as the leader, RG, Mahendra, and Widyase. Okay, is that correct? Now, the first task that you have to match the verb and then the meaning in English. Yeah, for the first task is you have to match. Ya, jadi kalian di sini di kelompoknya harus match the action verb atau verb di sini dengan arti di bahasa Inggrisnya. Oke. Okay? And then for the task 2, that is okay. This is about the how to make a banana vanilla ice cream. This is the text that you have to edit by the action verb in the text. There are 5 missing words over there, and then you have to find it about the suitable text or the suitable words of the missing words, and then you have to a topic over here. The first is Lawar Pulung, yeah, from the first group, yeah. The leader is Wardini, and then Playa Galungan, there is RG, yeah, RG from Galungan. So you have to choose that is for the group 2, ya. Ada yang tanyakan? Sudah bisa? Kira-kira sudah bisa dipahami?
Siap.
Bisa, Bu.
Now we have to discuss about the tax 1, tax 2, and tax 3.
What is stir?
There is to move. around with a spoon. Around. Let's continue to text 2. What is the answer, number 1?
I think it is Ed.
Okay, you have finished to text you.
Okay, we will continue to text 3. Who is from Pakistan?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. How about the goal?
How to make lawar pulung?
Okay. Sekarang
I think the ingredient are 250 gram of finely cut chicken breast.
hmm.
5. What is the meaning of bumbu dicincang?
Oh, bumbu dicincang. It is chopped spices ya. Chopped spices seperti itu.
Of spices.
Oke. Oke. Ada lagi?
What is Ed?
To put together with something else. Okay. To the second text.
Second. To the
Second.
second text. Okay. Next.
What is the second word? It is spell.
For text 3, who is from Galungan RG? You are from Galungan is correct.
Yes, I am. We will make layak galungan. The goal is how to make layak galungan. The ingredients are meat. What is the diulek in English?
Okay, the ulek in English is maize, yeah, maize. Okay,
Oh.
I think I give you the Mama, Alpha, Sierra, Hotel, Echo, and Delta. Yeah, there is maize. Everybody have finished about the task? Yes or no? Okay, student, we have to discuss about what you have done in your group in the breakout room. Yeah. Okay. For the first sessions, I'd like to share screen first. Yeah. Okay. Here you are. Okay, Suardini, please match but text ones with the verb below with their meanings. Mix.
Okay, and to answer this, for the mix is the option B. To mix together by friction with the hands.
How about the other group?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Miss.
Okay. So the first is mix. It is the answer is to mix together by pressing with the hands. We will continue to the next session for the group 2. Yes, please. Ardiawan, please answer the number 1. Here you are. Silakan Ardiawan, masih di mute. Okay.
Number 1, add egg, sugar, and salt. Number 2, fill plain or banana.
Okay, how about group 2, group 1? Is it correct or there is some mistakes of Ardiawan answer or group 2 answer?
Yes, miss, it's right. It's the correct.
Okay, is it correct? Okay, sudah ya seperti ini.
Yes, done.
Okay, done ya. Arya, please present your task, your group task here.
The goal is how to make lawar pulung. The material are 250 gram of finely chopped chicken breast, 5 potatoes cut according to taste, chopped spices, 10 cloves of red onion, and 5 cloves of garlic. Step by 1. Mash all the chopped spices and roasted spices until smooth. Step by 2. Salt ground spices. Edit white complementary spices until fragrant, live, and divide by 2.
Okay, thank you for group 2 ya. You have done writing about the procedure text, but there are some mistake that you read about the materials. 10 cloves, ya, bukan cloves, ya, 10 cloves. Okay, good, it's okay.
How to make Blaya Galungan. Materials 250 gram of chicken, 3 lamb left, 2 by left. Step 1, boil chicken and lime live. Add a little salt and use low heat to make a delicious broth. Step 2, mash all the spices. Step 3, remove, drain the chicken until cool.
Okay, thank you, Alvin. There are some material over there, but you have to the correct read it about the leaves. Yeah, 3 lime leaves. Yeah, and then the steps. There are some mistake that you have to read it about mash all, not all. Yeah, mash all the spices. Okay. Apa yang bisa kalian simpulkan hari ini? Apakah ada masalah? Ada masalah tidak sebelumnya dari kalian membuat tugas atau apa? Ada masalah?
No.
No. Okay, thank you. So, what do we have to conclude in our lesson today? Apa yang bisa kalian simpulkan dari pelajaran hari ini?
I miss.
Okay, Suardini. Oh, Arya. Okay, Arya. Yes, please, Arya.
We know some action verbs.
Okay, thank you. You are done over there. Yeah, you know the action verb. How to know the step by step. Yeah, from
Yeah.
first, second, third, something like that. Yeah, and then you have to know about the conjunction over there. Yeah, jadi kalian sudah lihat tadi first, step 1, step 2, then something like that ya. Jadi kalian sudah tahu di mana action verbnya seperti steer, something like that, steer and so on. And then you have to know about the first, second, step by step ya. So this is very correct. Yeah, good for Arya. You have to conclude our lesson. Who want to conclude about what we studying today? Raise your hand, please.
I miss.
Okay, RG, yes, please, RG.
We can write one procedure text recipe.
Oke, very good. Ya, jadi kalian sudah menyetorkan teks resipinya seperti apa, bagaimana kalian membuat makanan khas di daerah kalian sendiri ya. Seperti lawar pulung tadi, kemudian ada belayak galungan ya. Jadi mesti kalian nanti dipraktekkan di rumah, bisa kalian presentasikan di sekolah. Saya punya untuk KWU nanti ya, kewirausahaan. Saya bisa seperti RG di sana ada lawar pulungnya, kemudian pakisan, Arya ya. Jadi bisa keluar lagi hal-hal yang ada jadi ciri khas di daerahnya sendiri ya. Jadi itu perlu ditingkatkan lagi belajarnya. Tolong nanti Ibu minta kalian untuk belajar lagi cara membaca yang baik dan benar ya, walaupun ada yang memang masih kurang tapi perlu dipelajari, jangan sampai berhenti belajar ya. Okay, I think it's enough for today, but before that maybe Arya, please let your friend for the pray for the God, and then we have to silent first. Okay, silent. Okay, finish. Okay, for the next session, for the next week, we have end of the procedure text. And then for the next week, we have a new materials, new, what we call it, the new task, yeah. So the procedure text that I have to, what we call it, the remedials, ya. Jadi remedialsnya nanti share di Google Classroom ya. Jika nilai kalian di bawah dari 70, kalian akan Ibu remedialkan. Ada teks nanti di procedure teks ada nanti di Classroom. Silakan masuk di Classroom. Kemudian lagi sebentar Ibu akan periksa dulu hasil LKPD-nya. Kemudian baru nanti akan diperlihatkan di sana bagaimana nilai akhir kalian ya untuk teks procedure teks ini. Kalau ada yang nilainya kurang akan Ibu kasih kalian remedial ya. Kemudian yang lainnya akan Ibu kasih pendalaman materi lagi. Oke. I think it's enough for today. See you next week, and tetap ingat jaga kesehatan, jaga kalau keluar menggunakan protokol kesehatan ya. Oke, thank you and see you next week. Goodbye.
Goodbye, me.
How'd you get so far?